In a lush savanna lives Leo, a lion with an extremely long golden shiny mane and a tall, majestic, fit build. He is the undisputed king, but today he is trying to take a royal nap. Enter Pip, a tiny, slim, and agile mouse with angelic facial features. Pip wants to prove his bravery to the other mice. He starts running over Leo's paws, sliding down his back, and finally, he starts playing with the lion's whiskers. Leo's tail twitches. Suddenly, a massive paw slams down. Pip is caught! Leo lifts Pip to his eye level. His high, slim face shows a mix of anger and amusement. Leo roars softly, his lips moving. "You are a pebble in my kingdom. Why should I not crush you?" Pip, trembling but looking straight into Leo's eyes, squeaks. "Great King, I am small, but even the smallest light can guide a giant through the dark. Spare me, and one day I will return the favor." Leo laughs, a deep, stylish sound. He thinks it's a joke, but he admires the tiny rebel's spirit. He lets Pip go. Days later, Leo is patrolling the jungle when he walks into a clever trap set by hunters. A heavy, thick rope net falls from the trees, pinning his muscular and fit body to the ground. Leo roars in fury, but the more he struggles, the deeper the ropes cut into his skin. The king of the forest is now a prisoner. He feels a sense of true human-like despair. He realized that power alone cannot save him. Pip hears the desperate roar and remembers his promise. While other animals hide in fear, the tiny mouse sprints toward the danger. He finds Leo trapped. Pip doesn't hesitate. He starts gnawing at the thickest rope with his sharp teeth. It's a race against time because the hunter's footsteps are getting louder. Snap, one rope breaks. Snap, another one, Leo whispers in shock. You actually came back, Pip replies while chewing. "A promise is a promise, King." Just as the hunters appear with their spears, the final rope snaps. Leo leaps out of the net, his golden mane flying in the wind. He doesn't run away. He stands in front of Pip to protect the tiny mouse. He gives a roar so powerful it shakes the trees and sends the hunters running for their lives. The king and the rebel have won. The sun sets over the savannah. Leo sits on a high rock, and Pip is perched right on top of his head, between his ears. Leo says with a wise and peaceful expression, "I was a king of the land, Pip, but you are the king of courage. From today, we are brothers." The camera zooms out as they look over the kingdom together. The story ends with a message. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted.